you got to put your spare tire on, but when you look underneath there, it's all wiggly wobbly. The cable don't work no more. The mechanism's jammed up. Crap. Now, seeing how this is a GM vehicle, if you look up here, see that handle? See all that rot? And you've got an electronic push button guy right there that opens the back hatch. Well, that rot right there is letting water into that button. No longer opens. We can't even get to the old twister-rooey for the spare tire. Customer requests, and I quote, "Cut that bitch off." Simple, fast, easy. Let's go. Here's the fix. If you're using something like a cutoff wheel, I mean, you can't really get up in there very well, and you don't want that blade to be spinning while the tire's falling on you. Crazy shit can happen. You can see that's not just a cable you need to cut through. It's that whole piece of metal. It turns into a big piece of metal that's jammed up in there. The cable goes through the inside. The cable's now no longer doing anything. It's rotted right into the mechanism. It doesn't move. It doesn't move no more. That's what happens to these. Thus, the lift jack. It's pinching this tire right up against there so that it will not move once this... Yeah, you get it. Maybe you'll be able to pry that, but I'm not going to go that way. Looks like somebody got some sort of aftermarket donut wheel for this. I don't think that comes standard. I don't know. Maybe it's well used. Check it out. They used a lot. Maybe a junkyard find. I don't know. Just going to go ahead and bust out your oxyacetylene torch. Spray off that PV blaster because he thought you'd be able to free it up, but you failed. And spray down that rubber boot up there with some water. So we cut the corner of the lip off and we saw it jump a little bit. That might be enough for it to pull down off of there. I think it is. We just don't want that thing falling down on us while we're torching, grinding, sawzalling, whatever. Don't forget to melt all the paint off your spare tire while you're at it. Let's go ahead and get our one-eyed bandit, one-armed bandit, one-eyed bandit, whatever, you know. I think that's a different thing, a one-eyed bandit. You know, go ahead and get that out of the way. There we go. Is this gonna make some noise while you're going down the road? Maybe, maybe not. If you ever want this stuff to work again, this one's actually only held down with 2 bolts and it like clips in one way. These mechanisms, they rot up in there. You can see it's pretty rusty vehicle, you know, 2008 model year. So yeah, you can replace it, get a whole new mechanism. You could probably rock auto that for 40 bucks or something. And once your tire's out of the way, it's super easy change. We don't want this thing flopping around, making noise, causing problems. No complaints from the customer, you know. So go ahead and take your angle grinder and cut the rest of it off. Safety splints. It's a little toasty to grab onto. This guy is low-key kind of pissing me off. It's just like spinning and it's hot, even through my gloves from torching. These ears, these clippy things are rusted in. There it goes. See how it clips in, these hangers? Now it's gone. All right, that's spare tire fix of the day. Have a good one.